going, folks? It's Drake with Russ Darrow Nissan of West Bend, and it is finally landed. We have the all-new 2025 Nissan Kicks, fully updated and ready to go for any driving scenarios. I want to go over all the differences with y'all today compared to the 24 and the nice upgrades it has. Let's get after it. So let's start under the hood. The 25 Nissan Kicks is now powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder, making 147 horsepower as opposed to 1.6. So you'll find the Kicks is going to accelerate a lot faster and a lot easier than previous generations. It's now also available in all-wheel drive, so it's ready to tackle tough Wisconsin winters or anything you really want to throw at it. Let's check out the back. So checking out the trunk space back here, you'll see you have plenty of room for all the activities, anything you'd like to store back here. But if I take a step out, you really get a good grasp of the storage capacity back here. You also have a 60-40 rear split seat there. And if we take a look under here, you'll see you have additional room for anything you might want to keep in your trunk long term. Also that nice tire inflator kit in the event that you get a flat tire. So you'll see you have the very spacious interior of the 25 Kicks here. The biggest change, of course, is these dual 12-inch displays. Very high resolution. And if you take a look at the display, even offers full 360 round view monitoring with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and you'll see this specific SR here even has wireless charging equipped. You can also move up to an SR Premium and get luxury features like heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, really the works. But even on the entry-level SR like this, very loaded. Let's go back to the outside. So the exterior of the 25 Nissan Kicks, you'll notice, is in the two-tone yuzu yellow metallic. And if we take a peek at the C-pillar here, you'll see you got nice little Easter eggs, like the little Kicks logo there. There's a few more hiding around the vehicle. We've got one here on the mirror. If you take a look at the arm, and then we take a look over here at the inside. Even got a little one hiding there. I'll leave the rest for you to find out, but look at that. 3 Kicks for the price of 1. So that's the 25 Nissan Kicks. If you'd like to get a closer look at this or any of our other models, take one for a spin, let us know. We're here to help, and I'd be more than happy to show you what Kicks has to offer. See you soon.